He just put on the side that he's gonna be on. Well, we gotta go.
What the fuck you about to do? Hold on. Explain what you about to do right now. Let's see.
No, nigga, I recording. That one got hurt. Billy! No,
He hit the house so hard it broke in 2 places.
like when they broke your heart.
In 2 places.
So look at hit this one.
Hit right in the middle. Ah, no more like feet.
Bro, look, dig how you want to hit in the middle, guys.
I knew the post had some nails on it because when I was over there, I was like, no, I'm not gonna.
So I can nail you.
What you listen to, Billy?
Oh, it's because it's on my it's on my fucking playlist, man. I'm telling you, I'm gonna teach your followers, nigga, how to, nigga, you got
How to make wood break?
Pura fuerza rígida. Súbele, compa. Jálese.
Nigga, I'm gonna show nigga. Look, to all the followers, my nigga. Listen, quick listen. Y'all gotta fuck to Chris Brown, my nigga. Or to The Weeknd, my nigga. You gotta fuck to wet the bed, my nigga.
Wet the bed?
Yeah, you gotta go ahead, nigga.
Nigga, but if you got a little dick, my nigga, you better damn after something. You better beat that shit up. Beat that shit up, my nigga. Take some pills.
Yes, sir.
Real shit, right, my nigga.
Sir.
My nigga know, but my nigga take some.
I already know.
That didn't do shit, buddy.
My nigga, and then if she ain't fucking you right, if you got girls following? Hey, if your man ain't fucking you right, 662-580-6721. No, my God.
He had to think about his number.
And my dad saying this, it was 7714.
Number may be real, may not.
This bitch ain't breaking.
Fuck is that?
Yeah, where my president at, bro?
Oh no, he said.
Is he said he coming or what?
He said he on the way. Yeah.
Man, that was about an hour ago.
Put that whole thing in there.
Nah, bro, this.
Let me scoot back so I get the full thing. That bitch gonna break or what?
Nigga, go break,
No,
nigga.
it didn't, buddy. Come on.
What the hell?
Come on, let's get everybody get a chance. Let's see who can break that bitch. Oh shit! Fuck it,
Hold the
Billy.
light. Hold the light. Hold the light and hold my beer. Hold the light.
What beer company are we sponsored by today, guys? Bud Light. Billy, where the light at?
If it ain't Bud Light, it ain't right.
Damn.
Was that a firecracker that popped or what? I heard something else pop.
Huh? Yeah, I take her. All right.
Something hit my truck or what? Yeah, that's how I learned to eat the booty and everything.
You learn how to do what? How you eat it?
You have to cut that.
Booty on Pornhub, cuz.
On Pornhub? Damn.
He said he learned the Superman from Kenny.
He say he does this. Yeah, he went.
Oh fuck! Goddamn, Billy.
He goes like, yeah, and then yeah. Yeah, show him, nigga. Show him. Don't be surprised. Camera shy, nigga. What is some bitches hit you up, cuz? Talk about making sex tapes. Look at this nigga.
Billy, don't Billy.
Pornhub.com, nigga.
Hey, but can't be putting that.
Slash it's Jose Baby, nigga.
Snapchat, cuz. Add that nigga on Snapchat. Hey, add his premium.
Damn. Billy gonna start premium watch.
We're gonna have to end
Hey,
this thing.
ladies, it's this big. It's cold right now. Let it ride. It's because I'm not a shower, I'm a grower. For $5, I'll show you.
Nah, I'm good.
Each view.
Swipe up. Swipe up.
Swipe up for the premium.
We're gonna put the link on the description below.
My nigga
Yeah.
says poor video on the link. What is like the link right on YouTube?
ITZJOSCBABY. Instagram, Snapchat, and Pornhub.
I'll get you out here for the low. Half price. Don't ask when. Send them the other link, Kendrick. I'm about to make money off of this.
Yeah. And then the guy in the camera sells drugs. Let me sell rims. With drinks.
This nigga said I sell drugs. Hell no.
Guys. Why you camera
Candy, lollipops, little
That nigga hit his face on that one.
Hey, he'll take you to the
candy shop. He'll give you what you really want. Get it. That's why he come in his face. He knows they're gonna get him. He's gonna be the next R. Candy over here.
Damn.
Hey, bro, that's my president, bro. Chill, bro. He coming, bro.
Nigga, where is your president? He's supposed to be in like 2 hours ago.
For real.
Bro, my nigga shit cam. My nigga chill, bro.
My shit cam too.
You gotta wait. He got to go.
Nah, I ain't got no 34 in the stall. I don't know what stall I got.
He still got to go to the gas station, fill up, and then make another trip. 'Cause it's pretty far from him from here to there. And then
Oh
make
no!
another trip.
Hey! Yesterday he got lost. He was always in Waco, trying to pull up to the Burleson meet.
Nah.
That nigga, he was like, nigga, we were about 15 minutes away from fucking Waco, nigga. He passed Sam's and took the next exit. You know how when you pass Sam's, you have to go like 2 miles to
You think I can put the fenders on my truck?
the fenders.
Fuck
Hey,
you.
you know what?
Yeah, they still good. Nigga.
may
Just
need
sand them
this.
down. Sand them down, get up.
Because mine broke whenever I crashed. I need the metal piece.
Hey, these fenders are good.
Now
Right?
explain to us, Billy, what the fuck happened with this truck.
Alright, bro. Look, I had a twin turbo on this hoe.
Mhm.
I pressed the nitrous at the wrong time.
You turned the nitrous on. That block.
This is what happened.
Damn.
That happened when you don't put gas.
No, the block.
They didn't take ain't no good at all. Fuck. Use the pulley.
All right, tell us a story about this truck, Billy.
He put 2 turbos on it and he connected to the alternator.
I had my mixtape playing, my nigga. I had my nigga's mixtape playing.
He thought he was playing his system's hit and run.
Oye, mujer.
Hey, bro, you put Hey, but you know you finna be in the block. You finna be famous.
Cross me move.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, I can't put this front end on my truck, man.
What front end?
But this, you know how you gotta put the grill. Look, nigga, you gotta get the plastic for this one.
Because, you know, so I ain't saying no shop's name, but they didn't put the boat back.
Damn.
They didn't. I'll show y'all. My truck's over there. I'll show y'all.
Yeah, look.
President said he on the way.
He said that about 2 hours ago.
Bro.
I am gonna put this.
Tell him, bro. I
front
bet
end.
y'all can go
Don't
home,
put this front
take a
in?
shit, take a shower, come back, go to my girl's house, and then come back. And she lives on the other side of the town.
Take out so
And
many
still go to
screws.
Mil Tacos.
Jeez, why you being lazy? Tell me I gotta take out so many screws.
And then go home and
My brother, I need to put the front end on
Come
my
back
truck.
on time.
The fenders, this right.
Fenders and cross member?
Hey, bitch, I need this.
Take that bitch up. Nah, that bitch loose. Nigga.
No, it don't matter. I could fucking.
Tighten it up.
Yeah, I could. You know how much this fucking piece of shit is?
How much?
Guess.
$250.
I wish.
250.
I wish.
More?
1,000.
What
That's why I don't.
Like this?
Yeah, for my steering column. Yes. That's why I don't buy it. Fuck that shit. I could die.
Chevy tripping. Fuck
Wait,
that.
what is this too?
The steering column.
Oh,
That's,
this?
yeah.
I don't think it works.
Shit, like you say, tighten that bitch up.
It's metal. Yeah.
Put some grease in there for you.
It's burned, so I'll give you $1.
Y'all offered me $1,500 for this whole truck.
All they gotta do is fucking
That's
metal.
what they want. They want the VIN
Sound like that nigga coming right now. Loud ass truck.
Where's my VIN number at, nigga?
Shit, nigga, you got shit in here.
Well, their number.
Nah, nigga.
Damn, nigga, that bitch gone,
fucking
huh?
everywhere, bro. The VIN number's everywhere.
Hey, check on how you doing.
It was right here. Look.
My name's still appliances. I'm gonna say something, but now. Yeah. Now I'm gonna take the front end. I'm gonna make mine up this front end. Yeah, I got everything.
Man, I should have just taken the shit from you.
You know what? I asked about this truck because of the frame. The frame's pretty good.
Now I can bring it.
Ahí va.
it's not worth it. It's not worth it.
Yeah, it is. Come on.
No, you said you
Let me see you. I
You said
want to
you
see you. I want to see your little effort, you know.
Huh? Shit, break it
Break it with your hands.
He said you get your gun.
That's a lot of effort.
Ah, that's my guns in the shirt. 1, 2.
You gonna elbow that bitch?
Oh, that fuck, I'm scared.
Come
nigga.
on,
I'm
bitch, you got a
scared.
big ass jacket.
This ain't my jacket.
I don't care.
Hit the hoe with your hand. Don't hit the hoe with your forearm, cause you gonna break that bitch.
Karate chop that whole nigga. See what you got.
Bitch.
Come on.
You know that bitch catch fire so you can keep getting weaker. I see what you're doing, bitch.
Yeah, you see that elbow. Oh, burn your fucking turkey in.
Hey, who can get that one? And this one.
That nigga Billy said.
Oh fuck! Come on, billionaire. What the fuck you doing?
Yeah.
That gotta be some old shit, fool.
That whole car on fire, they caught back on fire again.
Nah, hit it, Billy. Hit it.
Hit it, Billy. Get down. It's still fucking drying, ain't
That was a lot easier.
Hey, güey, no mames, perro.
Pinche vato. ¿Por qué andas gastando mi gasolina, güey?
Dice, mire que anda.
Güey, no mames, dale las gas ahí, güey.
Pinche güey.
Pedo charlata, gratis, güey.
¡Ey!
Va a quemar la carne de apo.
Mi madre preguntó por qué